Let's develop a C program to determine whether the entered year is a leap year or not. For that, let's quickly go through the rules for a leap year. A year is called as a leap year if it is perfectly divisible by 400. And the examples of those years are 1600, 2000, 2400, etc. Now, what if the year is not perfectly divisible by 400? Then we will check the second condition. If it is divisible by 100 but not by 400, then it's not a leap year. And the examples are 1700, 1800 and 1900. Here what I mean to say is that every century year is not a leap year. A century year is a leap year only if it is divisible by 400. Now let's check the third condition. It means that it is neither divisible by 400 nor it is divisible by 100, but it is divisible by 4. So in that case it is called as a leap year, and the examples are year 2024, year 2028, etc. And the last condition, that when all these conditions are false, then it is not divisible by 4, then it's not a leap year. So we will develop a C program by using these 4 cases, and for that we will use if, else if ladder. So let's straight away go to the C environment. Here let's declare an integer named as year which will hold the value entered by the user. Let's display the prompt message to the user that enter the year, and the year which will be entered by the user will be stored in a variable year, and the year is of integer type. So scan a percentage is written and that name of the variable is written as and year. So the entered year is stored in the variable year. Here we will check the first condition. If year percent 400 means if year is divided by 400 and if the remainder is 0, then this condition becomes true. Then what we have to do? We have to display the message that it's a leap year because the year is perfectly divisible by 400. Now let's check the second condition. If it is not divisible by 400, then let's check whether the year is perfectly divisible by 100. Now what rule says? The rule says that if it is not divisible by 400, then if it is divisible by 100, then it's not a leap year. So we will print not a leap year. Now let's move to the third condition. So third condition is that when it is neither divisible by 400 nor it is divisible by 100, then we will check whether it is divisible by 4 or not. So condition is year when divided by 4, will it give 0 as a remainder? If it is true, then in that case the year is a leap year. So a year when it is fully divisible by 4, it's a leap year. And the last condition, when all above cases are false and the year is not divisible by 4 also, in that case obviously the year is not a leap year. So this is the way in which we have developed the logic step by step. So let's terminate the printf with semicolon and save the program. Let's compile the program, and we have one error that the printf is misspelled. So let's correct the error. Again compile the program. There are no errors. Let's run the program. Enter a year. Say 2000 is the year. So it is perfectly divisible by 400. So it's a leap year. Again run it one more time. Say the year is 1700. Now look here. It is not divisible by 400, but it is divisible by 100. So it should not be a leap year. So it displays it's not a leap year because every century year is not a leap year. It should be divisible by 400, then and then only it's a leap year. 1700 is not divisible by 400, so it's not a leap year. Let's run it one more time and check whether the year is a leap year or not. 2024, it's not divisible perfectly by 400, it's not perfectly divisible by 100, but it is divisible by 4, so it's a leap year. And let's run it one more time and enter a year. Now this year is not divisible by 400, it's not divisible by 100, it is not divisible by 4 also, so obviously it's not a leap year, so not a leap year. So in this way we have developed the program to check whether the entered year is a leap year or not by using if else if ladder. The same program can be written by using if else by using the logical operators also. Thank you.